welcome to June's Fare. Today we're going to be making brown butter blondies. Let's hop right in. We're going to start by mixing our salt and baking powder with our flour. We're going to give that a quick whisk. Once we're done whisking, we're going to add in our brown sugar. Following our brown sugar, we're going to add our white sugar. And then we're going to give that another whisk. Check on your brown butter. Once it's ready, whisk it together with your eggs. Remember to let it cool first. Add your wet ingredients in with your dry ingredients. Pour it slowly right in the center. And then mix it together just until the flour is just about incorporated. Once you get there, add in the nuts of your choice, add it to your lime baking dish, and voila, brown buttered blondies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time here on June's Fare. Bye. Thanks for watching.